Book of Heaven, Volume 12, November 20th, 1917. The reason for chastisements. Jesus will make the sanctity of living in the divine will reappear. Continuing in my state, ever more painful, my always lovable Jesus comes and runs away like a flash, and he does not give me time even to pray him for the great evils that poor humanity is going through, especially my dear homeland. What a blow to my heart, the entrance of the foreigners into her. I thought that Jesus had told me this before in order to make me pray. And when he comes, if I pray him, he says to me,
I will be inexorable.
And if I press him by saying to him, Jesus, don't you want to have compassion? Don't you see how towns are destroyed, how people remain naked and starving? Ah, Jesus, how hard you have become, he answers me.
My daughter, I'm not concerned about the cities, the great things of the earth. I'm concerned about souls. Cities, churches, and the like, after they have been destroyed, can be redone. Did I not destroy everything in the flood? And then was it not redone again? But if souls are lost, it is forever. There is no one who can give them back to me again. Ah, I cry for souls. They have denied heaven for the earth, and I will destroy the earth. I will make disappear the most beautiful things which like rope bind man.
And I, Jesus, what are you saying? And he,
Courage, do not lose heart. I will move forward, and you, come into my will, live in it, so that the earth may no longer be your dwelling, but I myself may be your dwelling, and in this way you will be completely safe. My will has the power to render the soul transparent, and since the soul is transparent, whatever I do is reflected in her. If I think, my thought is reflected in her mind and becomes light, and her thought, like light, is reflected in mine. If I look, if I speak, if I love, etc., like many lights, they are reflected in her, and she in me. So we are in continuous reflections, in perennial communication, in reciprocal love. And since I am everywhere, the reflections of these souls reach me in heaven, on earth, in the sacramental host, in the hearts of creatures. Everywhere and always I give light, and light they send me. I give love, and love they give me. They are my terrestrial dwellings, in which I take refuge from the disgust of the other creatures. Oh, the beautiful living in my will! I like it so much that I will make disappear all other sanctities under any other aspect of virtue in the future generations, and I will make the sanctity of living in my will reappear, which are and will be not human sanctities, but divine. And their sanctity will be so high that, like suns, they will eclipse the most beautiful stars of the saints of the past generations. This is why I want to purge the earth, because it is unworthy of these portents of sanctity.